நம்ம வண்டி ஓட்ட போறோம். கிட்டத்தட்ட 1.5 வருஷம் ஆச்சு நான் வண்டி எடுத்து. இப்போ நான் தான் ஓட்ட போறேன்.
Because this thing is without license, that's why. Okay.
Side mirror. Okay. Okay.
Oh, be careful, bro.
Bro, I already drive. You because that side the car also coming. That's why I am not moving.
Okay.
Because I also have the bike. Okay, bro, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
About 1 year after I am driving the bike.
Yeah, I know you have a motorcycle.
Yes, bro. But now this is the first time for driving in Thailand. It's very excitement. But please teach me now how to go our location.
Okay. Tu belum tua le, so I mean,
the brake condition is okay, correct?
Okay, everything is okay.
Okay, bro. I is going little bit slow now.
Okay.
No issue, correct?
No issue.
Oh. Because this is first time. Oh. Okay. You see, bro, this side, left side also. Very beautiful.
Today is Sunday, Super Sunday.
Super Sunday. Woo. Very beautiful area for left side. Bro, be careful.
Mình đeo ra mồm ngồi.
Very excitement and speed is okay,
It's okay, bro.
Okay. Because same like now after marriage, me and my wife going around 1,000 kilometers.
1,000 kilometers?
Yes.
So with the motorcycle?
Yes, right? Motorcycle, yes. That is a good experience. Now first time my long trip now with my wife.
Like the honeymoon?
No honeymoon, bro. Because now normally me and my wife home is the distance between the 120 kilometers.
Oh.
The up and down is around 250 kilometers. That time my wife don't have the passport.
Oh, passport?
Yes, the passport area is...
In Thailand?
No, bro, India passport, yes.
Oh.
So my wife location to the passport office around 300 or 250 kilometers something.
Oh.
So up and down 500, correct? Then we are going many relative homes for the new bride and groom, correct?
Yeah.
Go to eat the relatives' home. That's why we are going many places by the bike. The same, bro.
Okay.
My wife village also same like the road also same like this.
Okay.
But here no come to bus, correct? But my wife,
Bus.
yes, bus also, bus, van, car, everything. Around 80 kilometer speed. I will reach the 120 kilometers within two hours.
Sure.
Yes. But no bypass, na same like this way. Road like this.
Why are you cleaning the always now?
Oh, sorry, bro. In my country also I am.
Yeah, you are.
I using many time in horn, correct?
Yes.
But Thailand basically nobody use the horn, correct?
Yeah, sometimes.
Sometime only. But in India every time.
Yeah.
Yes,
because
alert
of
the
money.
people. Yes, no, alert the people because the people across the road.
Be careful.
Yes. Our bike enemy is the dog, na. The biker bigger enemy is dog. Bro, do you like to see my dormitory?
Dormitory?
Yes.
Speed dormitory.
No. My dormitory.
I don't know what is a dormitory.
Dormitory means the room.
Oh, the room?
Yes. I
I've
show
never
you.
read your room.
Yes. I saw you. Sorry, I see you. I show you.
Okay.
The here na the people using easily to this type of cars, but India is very expensive na. This type of cars.
They are
Yeah.
like the pay much.
Yes, but here tax is very low, but India is tax is very high.
If you are water here,
Yes,
around
easy
3
to buy.
months you can buy the motorcycle.
Yes, easy to buy. If we have the motorbike, right?
Yeah.
Easy to go anywhere na.
You do go anywhere.
Yes.
But you should do care the police.
Yes, bro, I have Indian license. Then after easy to get.
India license.
Yes, Thailand license also
Yeah,
easy
no
to get.
all, right?
Yes, no worry. Now you are believe correct? I drive as well, correct?
Yeah. But be careful.
In India, we are using the hand signal
Oh.
for left and right. First, we use the signal light, then indicator, then we use the hand signal also for alert the people. Can?
Yep.
But the bike condition is good, bro. This is Yamaha, correct?
Yeah, there is a 50k. Only 50k.
Oh, but bro, this 50k, what is the CC? 125 or 150?
Because there is a second one, that's why.
Oh. No, bro, in India, we easy to buy the new bike.
Oh, you buy.
Yes. Because here 50k, correct?
Yeah.
India converted 130k.
130k.
Yes, 130k. Many new bikes available.
Oh.
I also buy
Is
the
it-
bike around 120k in
Is
India.
that good quality, right?
Yes, bro, Suzuki. The bike name is Suzuki. The model is Avanis. But do you know? Still, I am not drive the bike. My new bike. Still, I am not drive because I am staying here, correct?
Yeah. You did not try
Yes. Next week, this is our dormitory, bro.
Oh. Oh, I know
You
it. I
should
know
too.
it.
This is our dormitory.
Oh, dormitory.
Yes. The first one is our dormitory.
Oh.
So every people stay here must be scanned before we enter the
must to be
dormitory.
Yes, I know this girl about it. If you are stay here, you don't need to pay nothing.
Yes, bro.
Just stay free.
Yeah, that's why I am requesting you. You come to stay here. You
No,
save
I
3k.
cannot.
Why, bro?
No, I don't know. I hear like this room is only for the step person.
No, bro. OP also staying here.
Yeah, it's an OB.
Many OP staying here. You request to manager.
Who?
Venus. Our manager. Oh, you see, this is a beautiful land. That's why. Return the bike. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, bro. Then we go to bus stop.
Yeah.
No, bro. You don't scare. I have many experience. I drive the motorbike.
Mà về cigarette.
Bro, do you like to buy the new motorbike?
No, I don't like it.
Yes, because sailing is very difficult, correct?
Yeah.
That's why I don't like to buy the motorcycle and the car also.
But I interested about the car.
The car is very cheap, but if you stay here, lifelong is okay.
Long plan.
Yes, long plan is okay. If you married the Thai girl, no need to you buy now because Thai girl normally have the car, correct?
Yeah.
It's very dangerous zone, bro, because some people come to this place. Yes. I know the location. This is a temple, Thai temple. See the mirror. It's very helpful.
Masha Makia.
Green color. Okay, bro. Then go to left, right?
Yeah, then go to left. It is a school.
Yeah, no school. I think school. No, bro.
I
This
think
is a
for
ground.
kids.
Public ground.
Slow down, bro. Slow down. Slow down.
Yes, I know, bro. Left side area have
Yeah,
the
left
station.
side, left side.
Because before I go to the Hua Hin,
Why here?
yes,
Oh no.
no, with my wife.
Oh, so cool.
Yes, I could like to go the Hua Hin, but still no money now because still not credit our salary, correct? After credit our salary, go to some other places. Sing. Oh,
There's a
this is a
workshop, right?
yes. Bus station, correct? Oh, bro, big bus ah.
It's going out. I think we must to wait around 15 minutes.
Oh, yes, 15 or 20 or 1 hour. Don't know, correct?
Don't know.
Big thanks, bro. Big thanks. Are you okay? How is my driving, bro?